Chapter number 19, Coordinate Geometry. We'll start with very first formula that is known as distance formula. So here distance formula that we are going to use is to find the distance between two given points. Let's say that point A whose coordinate is x1, y1, and there is another point B whose coordinate is x2, y2, and I need to find the distance between these 2 points. That is a straight line between them, that is the length of AB, and this distance is denoted by AB is equals to under root x1 minus x2 square plus y1 minus y2 square. So now to understand this, we solve one question. Let's say we start with check your progress 19.2. First question, find the distance between each of the following pairs of points. Here first A is given, that is 3, 2 and 11, 8. As these 2 points are given, let's name it as A and let's name this as B. This coordinate is known as x1, y1. This coordinate is known as x2, y2. We named it as x1, y1 and x2, y2 so that we can easily put in formula. Now let's write formula. AB is equals to under root x1 minus x2 square plus y1 minus y2 square. Now we'll substitute the values. x1 is 3 minus 11 square plus y1 is 2 minus 8 square. So first we will solve bracket 3 minus 11 is negative 8 square. Negative square is always positive, so 8 square is 64. 2 minus 8 is negative 6, but its square is there, that's why it is always positive, that is 36. So under root 64 plus 36 gives under root 100. So we need to find the square root of 100. That answer is 10, and we always write unit because there is no unit is given. Let's solve 1b. minus 1, 0, 0, 3. Let's name it as A and B. x1, y1, x2, y2. Same way, first write formula. Distance between AB is under root x1 minus x2 whole bracket square plus y1 minus y2 whole bracket square. Now we'll substitute the values. Here x1 is minus 1. This minus sign is already there. x2 is 0 bracket over square plus y1 is 0 minus 3 square. Now minus 1 minus 0 gives minus 1 and 1 square is 1 only, that is positive. 0 minus 3 is negative 3 only. Negative 3 square is always positive, that gives you 9. So this plus 9, that is under root 10. We cannot further simplify this, so root 10 is your final answer. Root 10 unit. Okay, now question 1c. 3 minus 4, 8, 5. This is A, this is B. x1, y1, x2, y2. EB is equals to under root x1 minus x2 square plus y1 minus y2 square. Now we will put values. 3 minus 8 whole bracket square plus y1 is minus 4 minus 5 whole bracket square. 3 minus 8 gives us minus 5, so minus 5 square is 25. Minus 4 and minus 5, both signs are same, so they are added, so it gives minus 9. Minus 9 square is plus 81, it's 81. 25 plus 81 gives us 106. This is not our final answer. Now we'll prime factorize 106. So we will first prime number, that is 2, we will divide it with 2. Further we cannot prime factorize. So there are no pairs of numbers, so this will remain as it is. So this is your final answer. Okay, let's solve 1D. A 2 comma negative 11 and B negative 9 comma negative 3, which is x1, y1, x2, y2. Let's write distance formula. AB is equals to under root x1 minus x2 square plus y1 minus y2 square. Let's substitute values. X1 is 2 minus 9, so it becomes plus 9 square. Y1 is negative 11 minus negative 3, so it becomes plus 3 square. 2 plus 9 is 11, so 11 square is 121 plus minus 11 plus 3, so there will be subtraction. So that will give you a negative 8. 8 square is 64. 121 plus 64, so that gives us 185. Let's check, can we prime factorize it or not. 185, so it is divisible by 5. 5 3s are 15, 5 7s are. Again, we cannot simplify it, so this is your final answer. So, question 2, exercise 19.2. We have written A as 2, 0 and B 7 minus 12. We need to find the distance between AB, which is the radius of given circle. So let's say R is equals to AB is equals to under root x1 minus. And now let's substitute the values. 2 minus 7 whole bracket square plus 0 minus minus 12, that is plus 12 whole bracket square. So this is minus 5 square, that is 25, and this is plus 12 square, that is 144. That gives us answer 169. Now square root of 169 is 13. We are aware of that, so that is our answer. So radius of this circle is 13. So now we are going to solve 19.2 question 3. So that the points minus 5, 6, minus 1, 2 and 2, minus 1 are collinear. So let's name it. Let's say A minus 5, 6, B minus 1, 2, C 2 minus 1. So for this we are supposed to find three distances. First AB. Let's find AB using that same formula, x1 minus x2 square plus y1 minus y2 square. Now let's substitute the values. Minus 5 minus minus 1, so it becomes plus 1 square. 6 minus 2 whole bracket square. So this gives minus 5 plus 1 minus 4 square is 16. 6 minus 2 4, 4 square is 16. So that gives us 32. Now let's prime factorize this. So this gives us so we got two pairs of 2, so that becomes 4. So it is 4 root 2 unit. Now let's find BC. Same right formulas, x1 minus x2 square plus y1 minus y2 square. Let's put values. Minus 1, minus 2, whole bracket square. 2 minus minus 1 gives us plus 1 square. So this is minus 3 square plus 3 square. That gives us 9 plus 9. It is under root 18. Let's prime factorize this. If you don't know directly, you need to do this step. If you know directly, then you don't need to do this step. Here there is a pair of 3, so that comes outside, so it becomes 3 root 2 unit. So BC is equals to 3 root 2 unit. So next, let's find AC. x1 minus x2 square plus y1 minus y2 square is equals to x1 is minus 5, so minus 5, x2 is 2, so minus 2 whole bracket square, y1 is 6 and y2 is minus 1, so minus minus plus 1 square. Minus 5 minus 2 gives minus 7, minus 7 square is 49. 6 plus 1, 7 square is again 49. 49 plus 49 under root 98. Let's prime factorize this. This gives so that is 7 will be out of that. So that gives 7 root 2. So here AB, BC and AC we have found. From this you can see that AB plus BC is equals to AC. You can see 4 root 2 plus 3 root 2. So 4 plus 3, 7 root 2. Therefore, we can say that A, B and C are collinear.